so my name is Anjana. I'm here to connect your speaking. Your name is Kajal and your candidate number is T4474771. Shall I start?
Sure, ma'am.
What is your full name?
My full name is Kajal Arora.
Where are you from?
I belong to Khanna, which is located in the northeast part of country. It is not a big town, but it has all the facilities that one needs.
Okay, so do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student now and I'm taking my language classes.
Okay, so what is your study stream?
As I have completed my graduation in BSc Biotechnology.
Okay, so let's talk about breaks. How often do you take breaks?
If I talk about breaks while studying or any time, I take breaks for shorter time. As for studying, I take 10 minutes of break if I am doing my study, because the lesser I take break, the more I will have time to study.
Okay, what do you usually do during your break?
In my break time, I spend some time with my family, or either if they are not with me, I spend time using my mobile phone.
Why do you need to take a break?
Taking break is necessary for relaxation, as one need to refreshen his or her mind.
Okay, so do you prefer a long break or several short breaks?
As far as I am concerned, I prefer short breaks only. I don't prefer long breaks because that makes me feel lazy.
Okay, so this is the end of part 1. Let's start with part 2. You have 1 minute to plan your ideas. Your cue card is describe a time when you share something with someone. Here you can make your notes. Ready now? Sit down.
Sharing something with someone is not a not a cup of tea. So we have to be confident while sharing something with someone. It may be anything, the plans about our future, for the life, anything it can be. So here I would like to discuss about a thing which I shared with one of my seniors. This was the thing that I had to take course for my future goals, as I completed my senior secondary, and after that I had to choose a course so that will be helpful in my future. So I discussed with her that I want to take this course. The course that I wanted to take was BSc Biotechnology, as I had greater interest in medical stream. So I decided with her. She just gave me some information about that and told me that this will be great in my future. I was at my home at that time and I had completed my +2 education, and after that I felt delightful because she gave me the right advice for my future. She also guided me that I must choose this subject in that. So the subjects I took were the enzymology, molecular biology, that were very interesting, and I felt very happy because this was the right choice I ever made with the help of someone, and I shared this thing with her.
This is the end of part 2. Let's come to the part 3.
Okay.
Okay, so what was the last thing you remember you shared with someone apart from this?
Apart from this, I shared some information with my mother because she had to go somewhere. I just shared that I also have to go somewhere. So what can I do in that situation? She just guided me that I have to kept home like this at that time.
Okay, so what is your personal opinion on sharing?
As I opine that this is a good thing to share something with someone, because we can get more knowledge about something, because if we get knowledge about someone also, they must have their own views, so this may guide us in better way.
This is the end of your speaking. You may go now. You'll get your results soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.